guys, it's Rylynn here from Sena, and today I'm going to show you the Outforce, which is a helmet with cutting-edge technology, Bluetooth speakers, and a microphone built right in. The Outforce is perfect for riders looking for that Bluetooth intercom, but it's already integrated into the helmet. And not only does it connect to your smartphone, but it allows you to talk with up to 4 other riders. What's cool about the Outforce is you can connect with 3 other riders for a total of 4 riders, and you can talk for up to 0.6 miles or 900 meters. The construction of the Outforce is solid, yet comfortable, and it's DOT certified, so you're going to stay protected. The inside padding is plush and also removable and washable, so you can stay nice and fresh. And then it also has a retractable sun visor, which is really nice, and you can even remove it, so if you need to wash it or anything like that, you have the option to do so. The helmet also has a ventilation system to keep you nice and cool in those hot summer days. It comes in sizes all the way from small to extra, extra large, and it comes with the colors of matte black and glossy white. And it only weighs about 3 pounds, so you don't have to worry about being super heavy on your head while you ride. What's really cool about the Outforce is not only can you pair up with 3 other friends to talk while you ride, but you can also connect it to your smartphone so you can listen to music, take phone calls, and even get step-by-step navigation. How it works is the helmet has built-in speakers and a microphone, so you don't have to worry about getting a unit and installing it yourself. On top of that, the microphone has built-in advanced noise cancellation, so if you're driving down a busy road or it's super windy or anything like that, it'll go ahead and cancel that noise out for you. The Bluetooth 5.0 supports up to 4 riders, so you and 3 other riders, and communicates from a distance of up to 0.6 miles or 900 meters, so you can still chat with your buddies for up to about half a mile and still sound crystal clear. The Outforce also has a 3-button control on the side, which makes it super easy and convenient to operate while riding. Now, let's go over how to use it. To turn it on, hold the plus and center button down until you hear hello.
Hello.
To pair your smartphone to the headset, what you need to do is put it into phone pairing mode first. Now to do that, as soon as you turn it on, it should automatically go into phone pairing mode. And how you know is because it'll flash the red and blue lights and it'll say phone pairing after the hello. Now let's say that your unit isn't in phone pairing mode, but you need to put it into phone pairing mode. To do that, you're going to hold down the center button and you're first going to hear intercom pairing, but keep holding it down until you hear phone pairing or you see the red and blue flashing lights.
Intercom pairing.
Keep holding.
Phone pairing.
Once the unit is in phone pairing mode, you're going to go to your phone and go to the Bluetooth settings, and you're going to pick the Outforce. Once you hear your headset is paired, you're ready to go. To pair helmets together, you first need to put them in intercom pairing mode. To do that, you're going to hold down the center button until you hear intercom pairing. So let's do that now.
Intercom pairing.
Okay, now that they're both in intercom pairing mode, you just need to press the center button on either helmet, it doesn't matter which one, so that you can pair them. I'm going to do that now on the black one. Okay, once the headsets are paired, you'll tell by if they will no longer be flashing red, they will then synchronize and do a blue light, and then you should be able to talk to each other. So that's how you pair the headsets together. To adjust the volume, it's super simple. All you have to do is press the plus for volume up or the minus for volume down. The Outforce only needs 2.5 hours of charge time to give you 12.5 hours of talk time. And to do that, it's super easy. Your unit comes with a USB-C charger, and the charging port is just right here on the side. So all you have to do is just plug it right on in and let it charge, and then you're ready to go. And that is our Outforce helmet. If you're looking for a helmet that combines safety and comfort with advanced technology, then the Outforce helmet is for you. Thanks for checking in, and I can't wait to see you next time.